Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the smart power liftgate features available in newer Kia models. So I'm going to show you around a little bit with this brand new 2022 Kia Carnival SX Prestige that we just got and show you a little bit about what it does. Now, power liftgates have been available in higher end models for a couple years now. Now, what Kia does, instead of kicking under the bumper, as long as you stand behind the vehicle with the key fob on you, it's actually going to open the liftgate automatically. Now, that's been around for a year or two, but what's really cool that newer Kia models are going to do is if you walk away and it no longer detects the key fob, if it's set to, it's actually going to close itself automatically as well. So if you're walking away carrying a lot of stuff, then you don't have to try and find a way to close the tailgate. So if you have any questions about this, just call or stop by today.